Hello everyone. Are you having trouble getting your Hire TV to recognize your USB device? If your TV isn't reading your USB, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix the TV not reading USB Hire so you can enjoy your media files effortlessly. Let's dive in and solve the problem step by step. The first thing you need to do is check your USB's format. Hire TVs typically support USB devices formatted as FAT32 or NTFS. Here's how to check and change the format. Insert your USB device into a USB port on your computer. Open File Explorer, locate your USB drive, and right-click on it. In the menu, click on Properties and check the file system to see the current format. If it's not in FAT32 or NTFS, you'll need to back up your files and reformat it. Right-click the USB drive again, choose Format, select either FAT32 or NTFS, and click Start. Once formatted correctly, try inserting it back into your TV to see if it's recognized. Even with the right USB format, files on your device need to be compatible with your Hire TV. Most Hire TVs support formats like MP4, AVI, and JPEG, but not all file types. To ensure compatibility, confirm that your video, audio, or photo files are in a format supported by your TV. Convert any unsupported files using free file conversion tools online. Keep your files organized in folders, as Hire TVs sometimes have trouble reading many files or root level files on a USB device. If your USB is formatted correctly and the files are compatible, the issue might be with your TV's firmware. Updating the firmware can resolve bugs and improve USB compatibility. Go to the Hire support page and download the latest firmware for your TV model. Copy the firmware file onto a USB stick formatted in FAT32 or NTFS. Plug the USB into your TV and follow on-screen instructions or refer to your TV manual to complete the update process. Sometimes the problem lies with the USB port or the USB device itself. Inspect and troubleshoot as follows. Try using a different USB port on your TV or test another USB device to see if the issue persists. Look at your USB device for physical damage or wear and consider replacing it if faulty. And there you have it. You now know how to fix the TV not reading USB Hire by checking the USB format, ensuring the file compatibility, updating your TV's firmware, and inspecting your USB port and device. Following these steps should help you swiftly get your multimedia experience back on track. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might also be facing this issue. Enjoy your movies, music, and photos on your Hire TV.